Today we'll be looking at how you can enable voice for your agents so that your agents can communicate with users in spoken language instead of written one. So of course we've already selected a model and added some simple base instructions. With voice agents, your preference should be to use models which have lower latencies, as that's a much better experience for the end user. But you can still use whichever model you want. So you'll just quickly go ahead and enable voice. To do that, just go to additional features, go to voice configurations, enable that. Once we are there, we can modify some of the settings. We can enable summary or usage announcements if it's going to be a long running system. We'll just make sure that we have our API key selected here, have this transcriber selected. You can see we have a number of different transcriber choices, number of different languages that we can choose from. Same with the synthesizer. So just to reiterate, transcriber converts the end user's voice into text. Synthesizer gives the agent's reply as voice. And right now we've selected Azure for both of them. We have some additional configurations available here as well. Right, so now that all of that is done, we'll just quickly go and check it out. We'll just start the conversation by clicking this. Right now it's connecting to the agent. Once we
Hello. How can I assist you today?
Hi, can you tell me what's the capital of Saudi Arabia?
The capital of Saudi Arabia is Riyadh.
As you can see, that works.
I'm glad to hear that. If you have any more questions or need assistance with anything else, feel free to ask.
Experience can look like, and of course with a more complex agent it would be better. And we can change those hyperparameters you're looking at to make sure there's no reflections, there's no unnecessary conversations that get caught up in between the conversation between end user and the agent. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you.